DJ SR, play something heavy. Mixtape Monopoly,
Floating to a distant land, balloon in my hand. Not too many people in this world understand, so I gotta get away. Praying for a better day, trying to see the light before it fade away. So it's safe to say the combination to this life is the keys to success. But it's hard to intake, like it's weed in my chest. I ain't trying to be the best, but I'm just trying to get better. Girls make it hard for males, but somehow I still let her get inside my head like a thought. And I thought you received all my love, but you took a different route. Now all I got is me, this balloon and a string. Learn my lesson, everything is not the way it always seemed, but still I got a dream, so I'm holding on, floating on. Tell my future son his dad was a Rolling Stone, so y'all can go and kick rocks, cause Blue got his zip lock. Still did another country, I ain't talking Kid Rock. Blue balloons floating to the sky, I'm long gone. This not just another song, this is long gone. Never got along with this world, now I'm long gone. So I'm not home, sorry I'm long gone. Blue balloons floating to the sky, I'm long gone. This not just another song, this is long gone. Never got along with this world, now I'm long gone. So I'm not home, sorry I'm long gone. He go, let's wait, and I know how to get to my destiny, so let the wind blow to the windows of your mind. I close the curtains cause you blind. I'm tired of dealing with this life of lies. I'm trying to find a sign, not the ones on the road talking puns to the soul. And shining in this glittering, that doesn't mean it's gold. It could be fake, kinda like that chick you trying to date, trying to compensate her flaws with that makeup on her face. They say I'm going crazy, well at least that means I got a little bit of sanity left. Not contemplating death, unlike you, scared of the end. 2012, if you was worried you would focus more on fixing yourself. Yeah, find the Lord. Are you gonna be sorry that you didn't think it's fiction? Better listen, I'm just praying that you get it. And I ain't being preachy, I'm just trying to save your soul. But where's my balloons? I got somewhere to go. Oh, blue balloons floating to the sky, I'm long gone. This not just another song, this is long gone. Never got along with this world, now I'm long gone. So I'm not home, sorry I'm long gone. Blue balloons floating to the sky, I'm long gone. This not just another song, this is long gone. Never got along with this world, now I'm long gone. So I'm not home, sorry I'm long gone.
Yo, it's two steps. On some old 90s shit. Two steps outside. Taking a drink. World's large. Trapped in a time machine. Yeah, we need some midnight. Some midnight shit.
And of course, big sky, blue. A rhyme slayer, we crime shakers, but Nine Major came a long way from desk mics, annihilators, and violators only coming with the territory. I speak truth, but won't hesitate to tell a story about the long nights dreaming on this page, trying to save my fam from this minimum wage. Chained like a slave, depression is all in your mind, and the news got you thinking it's the end of the times. I'm so fine, I still put my life on the line, cause you don't get a second chance, get it right this time. And the girlies, they lovely, but need a chick to love me. I need a real woman, not a hussy.